Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add members Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to add members Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To add a group in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Point the cursor to the upper left corner of the computer screen. Here there is a home icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. And tap Go to Group. Now here you will enter the group menu. You can see here that there are several of my groups in Outlook. Select one of the groups. Now this is the group display. To add members, just go. Point the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is an Add Members icon. And tap. Now here you are asked to add the member account to be added. After finishing, tap Add. Now here you have finished adding new members. To see it, tap on the Member menu. Well, here we can see the number of members and members. So that's it, tutorial how to add members Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.